What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Project Galaxy, which is pumping up in value right now. It is up 27% guys in the last 24 hours and currently trading at $3.14, as you can see here. So as you can see, most of the pump did come from the last couple of hours, but overall throughout the whole day it's been gaining value quite consistently at a slow and steady pace. So is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop back down? Is it time to buy? Is it too late? Or is it time to sell? Or it's just time to hold on to it? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, covering both buyers and the seller's point of view and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, how high and how low this crypto can go. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are on the Coinbase website. In the last 24 hours, the market is up just about 7%. We can see Bitcoin has pumped up 10% guys, which is absolutely insane, and that's why we're seeing most cryptos who are on the green side today. So in the last hour itself, Project Galaxy has gained over a percentage. Over the last day, 27%, over the week 25%, and over the month it is down 11% guys. As you can see, consistently dropping in value for the past 4 weeks, all up until today, where it managed to pump up so high. But is it going to drop back down, or is it going to keep going up? That's what we're going to be looking at in today's video. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see here the trading volume has also gone up by 142% in the last 24 hours, making it $127 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Project Galaxy. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto. As you can see, 55% buy against 45% sell. So we still got a lot of people selling the cryptos, potentially taking out the profits and then reinvesting when it drops back down. So let's get straight into it guys. On the screen we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top, we do have the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Project Galaxy, which at the moment is $2.60. However, it is trading at a much higher value at $3.16, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. Yes guys, I am a long-term investor when it comes to cryptocurrency. So before I go any further, just a little disclaimer guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming in here, we do have the blue line and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and they are looking quite steep as well, which means it is not as realistic. Only reason why they're looking steep is because the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours, the graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. I'm expecting some red candlesticks to appear over the coming hours as well, so to take a little dip, potentially dropping below the $3 mark is what I'm predicting over the next 12 to 14 hours. So by midday tomorrow, we should be trading below the $3 mark. However, in between that time, we are going to see a pump up in value, potentially to about $3.40, $3.50, or even a little bit higher than that, and then dropping back down in value. So it's going to be quite volatile. We are going to see green and red candlesticks, but the overall outcome over the next 12 to 14 hours seems to be more on the negative side. So dropping below the $3 mark is what I'm expecting overall. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking bullish, very positive guys, going in a very steep direction. Exact same reason goes here, but again, I'm not expecting it to keep pumping up in value over the coming days. So towards the end of next week, I'm expecting it to drop once again below the $2.80 target, fluctuating around the 250 to 260 is what I'm expecting towards the end of next week. However, that does not mean we're going to be hitting red candles consistently for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have days when it's green and it's up, days when it's down and it's red. So it's going to be, again, it's going to be volatile, up and down, but the overall outcome once again seems to be more more on the negative side, so dropping below 280 is what my predictions are towards the end of next week, unless obviously there is a major crypto crash or a bull run or anything like that. These will have a major impact, not just on Project Galaxy, but the whole crypto market in general. Just like today, Bitcoin has pumped up 10%. It's had a major impact on most cryptos out there. Everything's pumping today, and the exact same when it goes the other way around if there is a crash. So moving on to the daily chart now, we're not looking as steep, but we are still going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive. Once again, an overall increase in value is expected over the coming weeks. However, it is going to be a slow and steady increase, guys, nothing too crazy. So by mid to late October, I am expecting us to fluctuate around $3.50 is what my predictions are as of now. However, if there are any major changes, or within Project Galaxy itself, if they have any new collaborations or any news that can have a positive or negative impact on the crypto, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. However, there is not much to do here. Only reason for that is we are in the lower part of the red zone, and for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit $5.99, which we are not very close to. We're going to have to go for approximately just under 100% increase for us to do that, which I'm not expecting from Project Galaxy anytime soon. As I mentioned earlier, I am expecting it to drop back down in value, so it's going to be overall over 100% increase we're going to need, which again I'm not expecting. So maybe towards the end of this year, very early next year, we may be able to head into the green zone, but nothing like that is predicted as of yet anyway. So yeah, at the moment, red zone it is, but that doesn't matter. What matters is as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in an upwards direction, we should be good to go. But yeah, so far so good, guys. Let me know what your predictions and your expectations are on Project Galaxy. I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around this crypto, so comment down below what is the highest figure this crypto can hit in 2022, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. So comment down below and I'll be reacting to your comments in my next Project Galaxy update. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on Project Galaxy. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also I just want to say a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. So the trading volume at the start of the video was $127 million. Let me refresh the page, see if it has gone up, just to see, let's have a look. 128 million now, so it has gone up, but not that much. But again, it's only been about 5-6 minutes, so over the next couple of hours I am expecting more increases from this crypto. But yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.